Menteri Ramba Kajela Konrad Kesang Maha si Balang Jogotayo ula Plie paidbah ya ka Telemedicine Centre jong ka NEIGRIHMS Shillong kaban yarap ya ki doktor bakin yo jingis log online bar ki doktor ki balakam tibet haba ajing sumari ki nompang.
Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula Plie ka Center rengkat ka jingidon lang ki he jong ka NEIGRIHMS bat ki he jong ka tenat ka kot ka kya Kajela bat ki we. Kani ka kor kan terikam nak bentar ki paidbah bat kumjo ru ki nong pang COVID-19 ki bedan kam banyo ek jinge selok bat ki doktor. Haba ajing kran ek jinge lang Menteri Rangba Kajela ulong bah kajing sapriang jong ka klam COVID-19. Kajing pendan kam ki kor ki bor kalong bedan kam habar ki kam jong ka sorkar. Uang ba kapor kadawa ban shemi ki linti bathamai ha ban le ek no jat kam bat ong ru bakane ka Telemedicine Centre kan yarap shibo ne Kajela ha kajing le ban tek lakam ya kajing sapriang jong ka klam COVID-19. Open tip baya kini ke Telemedicine Centre on sebenarap lang bat 108 helpline kenang banla ban bu bet tang kawe ke jaka ke bagi paidbah kenyo ya keren ne ajing tip ha bagi don kam ya ke jinge selok bat ki doktor. Ulo ongru ba ke thong jong ne project kalong ru ban penyaso no bat barok ki ICU ki badan ha ki jaka sumar ha Kajela. Kenang banla ban wanra ke network ke babiang ha ban ajing sumar ya ki nongpang leng ba ki kor ki bor bala pendon kam.
That we are in a COVID age. And obviously, the way we do things need to be adapted and modified. So therefore, obviously, in the health sector also, it's going to be the same. So use of technology is going to be very important in all aspects of life, governance, business, healthcare. So keeping that in mind, this project has been started. Obviously, this is only a very, very small part. Ultimately, our real objective and our goal is to be able to connect the different ICUs and different care centers throughout the state and have a proper structure where there's a support through telemedicine and a lot of the suggestions or a lot of the treatments can be given through this telemedicine. So that is the ultimate goal and objective. As of now, the two-seat telemedicine center that has been started here is right now based on the COVID situation, and these are calls that individuals can make to this particular center and ask questions related to COVID. And we are trying to now integrate this with the 108 so that there is one point contact for the people, and then when they need more specialized information, they will connect to this particular center.
How do you find the performance of NEIGRIHMS relating to the fight on COVID-19?
No, I think it's absolutely been tremendous, and really I must appreciate, congratulate and thank all the staff and the doctors at NEIGRIHMS for really being supportive in such a difficult time. And I think without the support and without the presence of NEIGRIHMS, the fight would have been even more difficult for the state of Meghalaya. So they have been very supportive, very helpful. And I think it's been a teamwork, and I once again thank NEIGRIHMS for all their support and all their work.